Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Corolla supports Apple CarPlay wired or wireless, and then gather a lightning cable or prepare Bluetooth/Wi-Fi. Plug the cable into your iPhone and the USB port labeled Smartphone or CarPlay. Once connected, the car's head unit should prompt you. If using wireless, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, then pair the car from your iPhone's Bluetooth list. This immediate setup gets your devices talking so CarPlay can initialize. Once done, accept the CarPlay prompt on both the Corolla display and your iPhone. This authorizes the connection. Next, open iPhone Settings General CarPlay to select your Corolla and arrange app icons for quick access. This determines what appears on the car screen. Make sure Siri and microphone permissions are enabled so voice control works safely while driving. Finally, adjust audio routing and navigation preferences in the head unit so audio and maps come through correctly when you start driving. To finish, test CarPlay by launching maps, music, and a phone call to confirm audio and steering wheel controls work as expected. If an app won't open, disconnect and reconnect the cable or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wireless setups. If it still fails, reboot both the Corolla's infotainment system and your iPhone and try a different certified Lightning cable or USB port. If nothing fixes it, reset the CarPlay connection in iPhone Settings General CarPlay. This often clears pairing glitches and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.